Leonardo unveiled its groundbreaking Proteus Uncrewed Rotorcraft technology demonstrator, developed in partnership with the Royal Navy and the UK Ministry of Defence's Defence Equipment and Support Future Capability Innovation Team. The Proteus Rotorcraft features a modular payload bay, a game-changer for aerial missions. This design allows operators to swap fuel capacity for additional mission payloads, making it adaptable for roles like anti-submarine warfare and maritime reconnaissance. With this flexibility, Proteus reduces the need for diverse fleets, cutting down operational costs and logistics. One of the most innovative aspects of Proteus is its use of advanced digital tools in development. A digital twin, a virtual replica of the aircraft, enables synthetic testing, allowing the design to evolve quickly without live prototypes. This, combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning, accelerates refinement and lowers development costs. Proteus also utilizes advanced composite materials, with over 40 components manufactured through cutting-edge techniques. Additive manufacturing and low-temperature cure composites simplify production, reducing complexity and time to market. When compared to the Peregrine rotary wing uncrewed aircraft system, Proteus offers a broader operational scope. The Peregrine is compact and agile, ideal for tactical operations, integrating advanced sensors for real-time data sharing. However, Proteus is built for multiple mission configurations, offering flexibility that the Peregrine can't match, thanks to its digital development tools and broader capabilities. Leonardo's Proteus is more than just an aircraft, it's the future of autonomous rotorcraft, poised to revolutionize maritime surveillance and warfare. With its innovative design and approach, Proteus is set to become a key asset in the Royal Navy's aerial capabilities, shaping the future of military operations on the seas.